Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we will share the details for the DJI Drone Error Code 30254. The error reads, unable to take off. Disconnect the aircraft from USB and try again. Before we proceed, I want to let you know that this is my AI avatar and some of the visuals in the video are also generated using AI. However, all the information shared has been manually researched by me. As per our research, the error comes when users try to take off with their drone but receive a message that it is connected to USB. According to our research, this error may occur because of software issues, overheated batteries, or in some cases, a damaged battery or aircraft circuit problem. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to try updating the software. Simply connect your drone to the DJI app and check if there are any pending updates and install them. Once the update is complete, restart your drone and check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, then check your drone's battery signals. In some cases, odd battery light signals and improper linking with the drone may cause this error. This could mean the battery is overheated or damaged. In this case, the best option will be to contact DJI support. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.